Hel- Hello friends, my name is Karthikeya and today I made a LED with 4 push buttons. The problem here was my sister had a dollhouse with an elevator in it, but she couldn't see the dolls in the dark and she didn't know where the dolls were going in the elevator. So she asked me to make a solution in which I made basically two push buttons for each of the floor, first floor and ground floor, with one LED, each where it lights up the elevator and lets you go to the certain destination. In the code here, I put for push button all of these input pull up and made sure 2 of them were specifically made to turn on and 2 of them were specifically made to turn off. So for example here, if I click this push button on the ground floor, if I click this push button right now, it will turn on. If I click this push button, it's also made for turning on, so it won't make a difference in the LED light. From first floor, if I click this push button, it will turn off because that's made for turning off the LED. And here I put resistor because in Tinkercad, the breadboard doesn't have inbuilt resistor. Here, this is also made the LED to turn off. So if I click this on first floor and turn this off in first floor, then it will turn off. Here, if I click this on ground floor and here I click this off in ground floor, they will both work. So even if I do it turn on in ground floor and turn off in first floor, it will turn off because it's made as a stairway light. For this project, like I said, this is my working diagram. Here there are 2 floors we're working, just like I told in Tinkercad, ground floor and first floor. Both floors have 2 push buttons. One push button for turning on the LED, like so, and turning off the LED. Both floors have working push buttons for turning on and off the LED.